Good morning, this is Naeem Aslam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily YouTube video. And today is Friday. That means that this is the end of the week. For now, folks, remember last Friday when I was with you guys on this particular channel, right over here, we discussed that the stock market is on track to record one of the worst weeks since March. And guess what? Today is also Friday. But the situation has changed a little bit because the NASDAQ, which is also known as your tech index, because it represents the all top 100 stocks for American companies, is on track to record the best week since April last year. Sorry, since April this year. So in all essence, we had the message last week where we talked about that, okay, the stock market is on track to record the worst week since March. And now traders have looked at those opportunities and then they said, you know what, this is the best week. This is the best opportunity for us to come and then bag some of those bargains which were available last week. Because coming into this week, starting from Monday, we saw this momentum coming back. And for the last few days, as the elections, US presidential election, which I'll discuss in a bit, started to kick in, the momentum started to kick in, investors were very much still buying equities. And now NASDAQ, as I said, is on track to record the best week since April this year. Now, in terms of today's market action, what we're seeing is a little bit of a retreat in terms of stock futures, whether we look at the European markets or whether we look at the US futures. There is a little bit of a sense among investors that, look, we have recorded a pretty decent gains throughout this week, so let's shave some profit off. And that does make sense, especially we are in the midst of this uncertainty with respect to the US elections, because yesterday Bloomberg was posting this headline throughout the day that yes, Joe Biden is very close to clinch a victory. Now the headlines have changed. Now they're saying that yes, Biden is the race is too close. Now that is the headline that I'm seeing on Bloomberg and various different channels. But the fact is that Donald Trump has called mail-in votes as fraud, and he has taken the legal battle against this one. On the other side, Joe Biden is very, very close to clinch a victory because he's only one seat away, and that could come either from Arizona or from Pennsylvania. From any of these two states, he can really get that one seat that he's really looking for. And of course, in terms of a vote counts right now, the things are very, very close. But the thing is that we are going into these legal battles, and then we don't know where we would, what does that really mean from that perspective. But overall, what we're looking at in gold prices is this move to the upside, and that move is primarily happened just because of one particular reason, and that is the Federal Reserve yesterday confirmed once again that they are here to support the market. They are ready to do more. And that was enough to push the dollar lower and gold prices higher. Now we're looking at gold prices trading at 1940 price level. And the moment that we cross the 1950, then it is going to be about 2000. Now, lastly, and more importantly, it is all about Bitcoin. Now, folks, if you haven't seen the previous video where I have done this extensive technical analysis on Bitcoin, I highly recommend you to go and have a look at it, because at the time, Bitcoin price was very much trading near that 11,000 mark. We were just literally breaking that price level, and we talked about that how the price can see a massive bull rally, which we have now, because currently the price is very close to achieve that 16,000. For me, the next target is all-time high. But this bull rally, and if this bull rally is really back like it was before, then it is the momentum is not about 20,000. The momentum is about the 50,000 price level. Of course, on the way, we will see psychological resistance levels such as 25,000, 30, and after 30, the next price level, the resistance level is going to be the 40,000 price level. That's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time.